Yo, so who here loves money, drugs, strippers, cocaine, the whole shenanigan, cliche Miami, New York life, 80s, 90s vibes kind of thing, spring breaker, party, fuck bitches, get money kind of thing. Uh, and you want to party like rock, like legit rock stars, like you're chilling with like Maroon 5 and Coldplay and whatnot, and Drake just for as a normal day, then this is a great book to read, man. The Wolf of Wall Street. I did make a review on it before, but the truth is, like, I think I just made a shitty review, to be honest with you. This is a phenomenal book, a great autobiography. Jordan Belfort is a genius. Whether you like him or not doesn't really matter, because he's true to his. He's admitted all of his faults. He's admitted to taking all the responsibilities as he's ever done in the past, now, and in the future. And he's taking responsibility, and because he's taking responsibility, admitted what he's fucked up on, and did what he had to do to make things better, he made this book, and now he's ultra successful once again. He has a very well known name, and a very credible name, even after everything he's gone through, because he's manned up. He grew some balls, said like, "Yo, I fucked up," and then this is how it is. And because of that, the book doesn't end with him being a poor broke man. It ends with him being of this very widely successful entrepreneur, once again back on top. Why? Because he worked his butt off from it. And this book is a phenomenal book. That what's great about it is that you just stay in tune to the book. It's like, whoa. Because you can smell his furniture. You know what it is when you can smell someone else's furniture through the book, like whatever this smells like. It's you can smell his furniture. You can smell his daughters and his kids because of how much imagery he uses this, and like you feel like you're part of his conversations because he's so metaphorical and illiterate, and he describes so much details that makes you feel like as if you're a part of his life, his story, which makes it so much interesting to read. It becomes a page turner. You can read the book really, really fast and remember a lot of things. There's a lot of details, but then it also makes you realize what he does a very good job at, Jordan Belfort makes you feel as if you are him also. So he makes you feel like you're the one who's fucking all these prostitutes and coke and doing all this cocaine and doing quaaludes and driving Lamborghinis and getting in the car accidents or whatnot, and chilling on 75-foot boats with models and doing all this other crazy things. But then he also makes you feel like, man, I regret it. I regret it. And it just makes you, he creates these extreme balances of emotions, from like very high positive, very high negative. So you can feel what he felt. So you can feel very into the book and feel like, man, this guy's lived a really long, crazy life. This guy's lived the life of 1,000 men. If he dies right now, he never died, really. He lives his legacy. He created something that everyone's going to be known for him for. And that's what makes the book so unique. So unique. And that's why I love to like listen to his videos right now, his audios, his speeches, his coaching, all of the stuff, because he knows what the hell he's doing. And he is so accurate with what he speaks about in all of his videos, because you can feel his tone, his choices of words, and his actions and his closing techniques on every single page of the book. And because of that, it's a great autobiography that you must read. I highly do recommend it. I really, really do. And if you love the movie, you're gonna love the book anymore, because I swear, Leonardo DiCaprio, Jordan, when you pick Leo to go ahead and choose the movie, you picked the right choice, because I swear, it's like you watch the movie and you read the book and you really think that it's like Leo's copying word for word of what the book is saying. That's how good the imagery in this book is. That's why the movie was so much excellence behind it, because it's like it's copied into the movie. There is nothing missing out. Maybe a couple details here and there to alter to create a good ending, but that's what made the book so special. That's why you gotta buy it too. So if you like this video, guys, again, like this video, comment below, share it. Share the book, most importantly, and let's go ahead and make something happen in the future. Subscribe below, guys. Take care.